W2 is your boy Catloco. So during this week, I went ahead and took off the oil pan off my 6.0, and today I'm trying to get rid of the Harmonic balancer bolt. I had hell get this thing out. I tried my Ryobi 1/2 inch, my Cobalt 24 volt 1/2 inch, my Snap-on 18 85G. Tried this one, get it off on both of these, on this one and this one. So pretty much I had to resort to heat to get this one off. So I mean, if that one's still on there, so I'll go ahead and show you the problem I'm having on this one, and then we're going to try and do the same method with heat that we did on the 6.0 and see if that works. Try a 1/2 inch and see what happens. Finally got it. This one's a lot tougher than the 6.0. But yeah, I was fighting with this for a minute until I finally just gave up and went to the heat route. Remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.